Capital Appliance Repair. We are a family-owned and operated appliance repair company. We offer same-day appliance repair for major household appliances. We fix all makes and models of fridges, freezers, stoves, ovens, dishwashers, dryers, and washing machines. We also specialize in high-end appliance repairs for Sub-Zero, Viking, and more. When your washers start to leak, urgent appliance repair are necessary. Professional appliance repair are essential when you need to extend the life of an appliance and get more use of it. Why choose Capital Appliance Repair? Well, we stand by our work by providing a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We are available 7 days a week for your convenience. We offer same-day service all across Ottawa. Our technicians have more than 15 years of professional appliance repair experience, and we provide professional repairs, and the technicians will give you the most proper advice whether you need to replace the parts or just fix it. When you choose Capital Appliance Repair, you can rest assured that your appliance is in the best hands. Our team always arrives prepared with replacement parts and all the necessary tools to perform repairs right away. Our goal is to make the first visit our only visit. Speedy Ottawa Appliance Repairs. Contact our team of expert technicians for same-day appliance repairs anywhere in Ottawa. Our team is available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 7 days a week. Book your appliance repairs online or call 613-454-1577. Limited technicians are available for 24 hours appliance repair appointments. Don't delay. Call us today to book your appliance repair appointment with an expert technicians.